use now. Okay, so good evening everyone. We are going to discuss today about layout section. So when I click on layout, here you can see in sidebar one section appear, and here you can see one second. And here you can see uh, add, remove, edit gadgets, and how you can add and remove and edit gadgets on your blog, and how you can click and drag and drop functionality use and rearrange the gadgets in your blog. To change the column and width also you can use your drag and drop feature, and also you can design your own good layout. Okay, someone is in chat, Santosh, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही और स्क्रीन भी दिख नहीं रहा है. Is this solved now? Voice is clear and screen solved now problem?
No, sir, there is no problem
Okay, okay,
in your screen or in your audio.
okay. So first I want to tell you something about favicon. Favicon is a small icon which you always see in top of the URL. Here you can see when I point my mouse on this favicon. This is called favicon in your URL with help. Sorry, with name of your website or your blog that appear and that show about your blog. The content is related to your blog, and favicon and logo may be same, no problem about that. And favicon is that you can see here in uh, top corner, top right corner, you can see this is called favicon. Okay, and if you want to edit this favicon, you can click on edit. You can choose file. I have a lot of files available here. Okay, so you can choose any of them. What should I choose? I don't have a favorite now. Hmm, anything. I will use this. Okay, sample music. No, no, this is music. I will choose this. Okay, as a fav icon now. I will choose this. I will save. Okay, this is too large file. You need to upload a file up to 100 KB in size. So again, we will go. The file size should be less than 100 KB. So मेरे पास available है कि नहीं? First we will see. 100 KB size, 4 KB. Now I'm using this. Okay. Not a square image. Okay. The fav icon should be very less. So in this time we don't have any icon available, so we will not use that. So I want to tell you something about that. You can upload a custom fav icon, select a fav icon file, and please use a square image that is less than 100 KB. You choose a file, upload here, save here, and after that click here on save arrangement. And when you will do that, you can change your fav icon. I don't have any small file now, that's why I'm not able to post here. This is big file. Mm, I don't have. In document I have seen something. No, no, I don't have any file now. So I'm not using this, but I am telling you the technique how you can do that. Navigation bar. In navigation bar, when I click on edit, you can see here various navigation bar configuration options. You can use any of the navigation bar which you want to keep in your blog and click on save. For example, I'm choosing this blue, save. After saving that, I will come here and also I will click on save arrangement. If you not click on save arrangement, your blog will be not saved. है ना? Your changes will be not saved. So click on save arrangement. Okay, go to the blog again. Okay, go to the blog. Yes. Any post. You can see here in top here. Here you can see your navigation bar has been changed with blue color navigation background. Here you can also keep your menus which you want to keep. Here I'm not writing any menu now, but we will learn about that. Okay, so Digital Guru Satish. Now I am again clicking on layout. To edit this, we have done that. Header, or what type of header you should have. So first I want to tell you something about that. In your header, your blog title should be present, your blog description should be present, your image should be present, or if you want to choose an image from image or URL, you can choose from here. You can give your URL and paste, use it. Okay, so configuration of header we will do here. Digital Guru Satish, keep here a small description. This is a technical blog which we are creating for all the digital marketing experts. Okay, from your computer choose an image. If you want to keep, I will keep this. No, you can't. Use this. Save it. Okay, in Digital Guru Satish, you can see here. Sorry, we not save our arrangement. You all can see screen now, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you will change here and edit with the help of header section, you need to save first your changes, and after that you click on your blog, and here you can see what is happening every day. And here you can see your description. This is a technical blog which we are creating to all the for the or digital marketing experts. Okay, and we have discussed about the header section where you will keep your blog name, mean your blog title. You can edit that. First you create with a simple title, and if you want to change that, you can change it. After that you can also give the description of the blog. And now this is your column section. Here you can see one column is present here in this side. Okay, in this column section, what should be appear, you can arrange, and you can uh, design with the help of this layout section. So first we will go again to the cross column section, add a bit grid. So first I'm adding a profile. That should be very easy. Okay, that is very easy. About me, title is about me. So what is this? Where you have seen this? You know, I'm showing you. This is the section which we are going to edit. Okay, so I'm again going to my dashboard. I'm clicking add a gadget, and I have clicked on profile section. In profile section, it is about me. So I'm changing this about Digital Guru Satish. Okay, and you can paste here any photo if you want, and you can also choose this show location, show about me. Click on save button. So with the help of this, you can change. Okay, first you need to save arrangement. After that, go on your blog, refresh your page, and here, after refreshing, I think that not changed. Satish Thevar. Okay, that is here. Sorry, not here. Satish Thevar. When you click on this, maybe that not change because we not save it. So again, configuration file, show location, save, save arrangement, view blog. So we are not changing this. Okay, we are not changing this. Sorry about that. We are pasting here all the details. Okay, Satish Divar. Now that will redirect here. Okay, so now we are coming to the main page section and sidebar section. That is your section which you need to discuss every time. So I want to first show you how that look. As you all can see here in Digital Guru Satish, one second, what is happening? Screen share. Today we are facing many problems related to network. And now we are going to
No,
discuss, you all can see now, no problem.
yes, sir.
So now we are going to discuss about the main post section and sidebar section. The section that we have discussed, that is below the header section and below that cross columns. Okay, so if you want to edit them, you can edit, and we will discuss about that later. First, we will discuss about the main section and the sidebar section. So add a gadget. If you want to add some gadget in your sidebar, you can add with the help of this. Blog search, I'm adding here. Save it. You can see here, after saving, search this blog and about me section. And now I'm going to show you where this all is present. We will discuss about the cross column section after some time, okay? After some time, I will tell you all the thing about this cross column section. But first, I want to tell you something about the sidebar. This is called your sidebar, which is available here. In this sidebar section, we have added search option, and after that, here you can see about me. That is about me. Okay, that we have added already in our cross column section. So we should not add there. So first we will go again here in cross column section and remove that. We don't need here a profile. Save arrangement, view your blog. Now you can see there nothing is present, only your title and description. And below that some cross column section we have added that have been removed from here. And search this blog is present yet we have added, and about me section is here, which you can see. That is eye-catching blog, you can say sidebar, which always you need if you want to make something. After that, you can also add right sidebar to 1 and sidebar right to 2. So let's see how that will look. You can add here your follower section, and in a sidebar right to we will add image. ठीक है? So image is Satish, caption is URL. If you have any URL, you can put here. Choose a file. Open this.
So, sir, in the sidebar, we are putting a link of our social media platform.
Yeah, no problem. You can keep your photo here. You can give your name as Satish Giver. You can keep here a caption, and also you can put here your social media link like Facebook or Instagram. When someone will click on your pic, they will redirect to your social media account. I'm only showing you. You can
Okay.
make it with good layout and good design. I'm only showing you what you can do with this all. Okay, saving the arrangement,
Okay,
and
sir.
after that we are going to view the blog. So after viewing the blog, we can see here. You can see here this. I want to tell you only one thing. In your sidebar section, whenever you are going to add something, that will be add like this. First is your main post page. Inside of that, sidebar section is available. There you can add your gadgets, and in sidebar 2 minus 1, sidebar 2 minus 2, return is here. Here you can also add some gadgets. If I want to delete this, I can delete after clicking the edit button, or I can add with the help of after clicking the add a gadget button. Okay, so there is sidebar 3 also present. Okay, but we will not use that. Add gadgets. Here one more I will add. I will add a featured post. The featured post which you have written on your blog, you can post in right side of your blog. Okay, your featured post is how to fix the DNF lookup failed method. You can keep it like this, and also you can preview here. Okay, view your blog. First you save the arrangement, and here you can see two sidebar gadgets are here, follower and blog archive, and two sidebar section are here, featured post and image gadget. So we are going to see how this look like. After refreshing the page, you can see here featured post, your followers, your blog archive, and your image which you have added. So I am going to do, first I will go in edit. I'm only showing you how you can add something, how you can remove something. Okay, the main purpose of this all operations is how you can add something in your blog and how you can remove in your blog. I'm removing followers. That you can see here, the followers has been deleted. Blog archive I am deleting. I'm going on remove, clicking on OK. Blog archive has been removed. Satish image gadget, this is also looking not good in our design right now, so I'm removing this all. Okay, feature post is also not looking good. We will keep feature post in some other location. Remove. Okay, now you can see everything has been deleted, and now I'm saving the arrangement. Go to your blog again, refresh your page, and you can see here nothing is available. Only your search this blog and about me section is present here. I'm going again to the dashboard section, add a gadget, clicking on add a gadget, you have any doubt, so you can ask in submit. In sidebar right one, I'm adding a gadget and clicking on featured post, and I am adding here with the help of save button. I'm adding here featured post, and after that I'm clicking on save arrangement. Now you go on your blog again, refresh it, and when you refresh you can see here a beautiful design. Now at least from the previous design, that is good. Okay, first I need to change the layout. This is also, this could be also a good layout design and page design. So first we will go to our theme. We will go to customize. When we are selecting something, we should always focus on some best themes. Okay, so what I will choose, I will choose this. This is a simple, this is very simple layout which we can use. Not so simple. This is good. No. For now, this is good. I'm applying this on my blog, and I'm going back to my Blogger dashboard and refreshing my page. And here you can see your blog with sidebar section. Okay. And in your mobile view, that will look like this. This is a task. There is a task for you all. At least we will discuss something more on layout section tomorrow. But before closing this presentation, I want to give you all a task. You all make a blog with the help of your knowledge, which we all have discussed, and follow my videos. And also, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime with help of message and WhatsApp group. And one more thing I want to tell you all have a task. From now, you will create a blog with your own name. You can use any of the name, but at least you make a blog. Okay, in your design section, in
sir,
your yes,
but so there is one confusing on my mind.
yes.
That is, what kind of topic should we choose? Actually, we haven't have any kind of niche. So
What kind of
tell
topic you
me,
should
just
choose?
tell me.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you first learn how to make a blog. So for learning that, you
Okay.
choose my topics, my technical topics, and post and copy this all topic in your blog. Okay, and then create a blog and show me. After that, if you have any idea, you can post with the help of your blog. Okay, topic may be
Okay.
anything, because everyone has their own uh, what you can say, everyone has their own ideas, their
One
own
niche.
knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, own list of topics, so they can
Yes, sir.
create in this topic. Okay, so with the help of blogger.com, you can create your own blog. And this is a task for you all make a blog for me, for you, and share with me. Okay, I'm giving
Sir,
you
we have to share
Okay, sir.
in the group or you are DM.
no worry, you can do anything. At
Okay,
least
sir.
you can, at least you need to create a blog. We will discuss something more about layout tomorrow, because we are running out of time today also. And we will discuss something more, and we will create tomorrow design very good. Tomorrow design will be very good. I will discuss something more related to this. Okay, so thank you for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.